Ready to turn your Flask web app into a money-making machine? Let's dive into integrating Stripe for seamless online payments. First, set up your Flask project to ensure you have a virtual environment activated. You'll need to create a project directory, an API file to handle your backend logic, a requirements file listing all necessary packages, and a templates directory to contain your HTML files. Next, install the necessary packages using pip. You'll want to install Flask and the Stripe Python library. So open your terminal and install those. This provides the functionality needed to interact with the Stripe API. Head over to the Stripe website and log into your account. Navigate to the developer section and grab your API keys, the publishable key and the secret key. Keep your secret key safe, as it allows access to your Stripe account. Now, in your API file, import Flask and the Stripe library. Then, configure Stripe by setting your secret key. This authenticates your application with Stripe servers. Create an HTML template with a payment form. This form will include elements like a payment button and potentially fields for collecting customer information. Ensure you include the Stripe Pays library in your HTML. Define a route in your Flask app to handle the payment processing. This route will receive the payment details from the HTML form. Create a charge using the Stripe API, and then handle the response, for example, redirecting the user to a success page. And that's it. You've integrated Stripe with your Flask application. Now you're ready to start processing payments securely and efficiently. Don't forget to consult the Stripe documentation for more advanced features and customization options.